2, 1. Kobe. Follow me now. I'm at work. Got a little project on this day. Welcome back to Life University, where shit goes down. Win and learn, no losses. And this bitch. Follow me now. Got this tape. Got this shit. Remember I was complaining about the Bud Light. I have a Bud Light stuck inside. So I'm gonna try to get it. Just vibe with me for right now. Here we go. Let me see if y'all can see it. Y'all see it? Do y'all see it in there? Hold on. Y'all probably don't see that shit. It's right there though. It's orange. Oh no, I don't think I'm gonna get it out. I'm not gonna get this shit out. Bullshit. Bitch. Nah, that motherfucker's stuck, man. I forgot it's not gonna get through that hole. I just did something hot. I'm not hot. I'm not hot. I literally forgot that I can't pull it through this damn hole, man. Like that motherfucker in there for life. I don't know how to take this bitch off. But that, I don't know, man. It's still not working though. Fuck it. I'm in this video for right now. Ain't too much going on. Besides me doing hot shit. And I'm not even hot. I really thought I could get it through the hole. I'm tripping. I have another idea though. To be continued. This time, I have a magnet. See how that work out. I was into this song heavy like 2 weeks ago. It was just running through my mind. So I just started playing that shit. Have a baby by me, baby, be a billionaire. All right, here we go. Let's see if this shit works. Nope. The magnet ain't doing a motherfucking thing to this bitch. Oh, man. All right, that was my last and final idea. I thought it was gonna pull it to the magnet and I can get this bitch out. You ain't do that shit. Nothing. Mission failed. Damn. All right, y'all. Marathon continues for life. Love y'all.